The sun is shining, the days are long. There's nothing quite like this taste of summer. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making the incredibly refreshing watermelon juice. It's so easy, delicious, and perfect to beat the heat. You'll be amazed how simple this recipe is. All you need is a one-star ingredient, which is ripe, juicy watermelon. Wash all your ingredients before you start using it. Wash your hand and wash your main star ingredients, which is your watermelon. Go ahead and cut your watermelon just where I'm doing the video. Then cut it into a manageable pieces that it will be easy for you to juice your watermelon. Watermelon is perfect for pool party, barbecue, or just a quiet afternoon in the patio. Your body is going to thank you for the taste of that refreshing watermelon juice. In summer, you need something very refreshing. You need a lot of liquid. Your body really needs something that will keep you going, which is watermelon is one of those things. Cucumber is one of those things. A lot of liquid during summer, you really need it. So this watermelon juice is going to be a perfect refreshing liquid that is going to help your system, and your body is going to really enjoy it during the summer. That is your watermelon into cube. You can also enjoy your watermelon while just as it looks, like a cube of fresh cold watermelon. But this time we are making a fresh refreshing watermelon juice. Seriously, I'm being tempted to eat this watermelon, but since we are going ahead to make our refreshing watermelon juice for this summer, the sun here in Austin is actually very hot during summer, so I can't wait to try this recipe. As I said, I'm being tempted to eat this watermelon. So let me just take a bite, then we'll continue by cutting our watermelon. So let's start preparing our watermelon. After dicing my watermelon, I'm using juicer. You can also use a blender. You can give it a touch of a mint or a touch of lemon, just to give it that refreshing flavor, but that is optional. So since we are not using mint or lemon for this watermelon juice, we are making that incredibly fresh watermelon juice, which is very tasty and is very delicious. Add your watermelon into your juicer and extract it. It's going to come out really refreshing. If you are using a blender, you do not need to add water. Just blend until everything is smooth. You can also decide to sieve it, just if you want it to be very clean. Trust me on this, everybody is going to love that refreshing watermelon juice. This drink is really refreshing. The main ingredients is our watermelon, and it must be very ripe and very juicy. There are some tips of getting a perfect juicy watermelon. If you want to know that tips, please leave comment in the comment section. I'm going to give you the tips of getting a perfect watermelon that is very juicy. So this is the outcome of our watermelon. Serve to enjoy. Are you going to be trying this my watermelon juice? Let me know in the comment section. Please do not forget to give this video a like, and remember to share this video with your loved ones. Please consider subscribing to my channel to see more delicious recipe. You can see so many delicious recipe in my channel. I hope to see you in my next video or my next adventure recipe. I hope I will see you. Stay safe. I love you guys.